Today we have Usama Khan Kakar from Division Lorlai, Balochistan. I have a simple question from Mr. Usama Khan Kakar. So Usama Khan, I have a simple question from you. Kindly aware us and guide us the criminology syllabus of CSS.
First of all, I am very thankful to you that you are giving me your time, and now I will tell you about the criminology paper of CSS. Almost there is 100 marks of paper of criminology in CSS and optional, and it is a high scoring subject. So first of all, I will tell you about the syllabus overall. There are about 4 sections in the syllabus of criminology in CSS exam, 4 sections, and each section is of 25 marks. And now I will tell you about the first section. First section is basically about introduction. In introduction, there is basic concepts used in understanding crime, criminality and criminal behavior, understanding criminology, and definition, meaning and scope of criminology, criminology and crime as social problem, deviance, sin-wise, evil, norms, values, security, physical, social, economic. Crime and criminals. Occasional criminals, habitual criminals, professional criminals, white-collar crime, organized crime, corporate crimes. Crime and criminality, theoretical perspectives. Early explanation of criminal behavior, biological theories, psychological theories, sociological theories. Social disorganization theory, strength theory, social control theory, learning theory, labeling theory. Islamic perspectives on deviance and crime. Of section 2. Now mobile system. Now I will tell you about section 2. In section 2 there is a juvenile delinquency. What is the meaning of juvenile delinquency? Behavioral versus legal.
Last I have a simple question.
Juvenile delinquent versus status offender. Official statistics of juvenile delinquency.
Listen. Last I have a simple question.
Don't ask question. I will tell you first syllabus.
First you how to aware us.
Juvenile justice system. Juvenile delinquency. Meanings, definitions, behavioral versus legal, juvenile delinquent versus status offender, official statistics of juvenile delinquency, and juvenile justice system. Juvenile justice system. Role of police. Juvenile role of police. Juvenile court process, pretrial trial and sentencing, role of prosecutor, defense counsel, juvenile judge, juvenile probation officer, juvenile correctional institutions, probation and non-punitive alternatives, the criminal justice system, police and its role.
Kindly recommend some books.
Yes. First of all, I will tell you syllabus. Trial and conviction of offenders, agencies, formal and informal criminal courts, procedures and problems, role of prosecutors, prisons, probation and parole, punitive and reformative treatment of criminals, corporal punishment, imprisonment, rehabilitation of criminals. Section 3. Section 3. Criminal investigation, principles of criminal investigation, manual of preliminary investigation, intelligence, corporations, database investigations, electronic investigation, forensic investigation, techniques of investigations, gathering information from persons, interviewing and interrogation techniques, criminal investigation analysis, legal and ethical guidelines for investigators, stop and frisk operations, arrest procedures, search and seizure, international policing and criminal justice monitoring organizations. Unify, Interpol, Europol, UNODC, UNICEF, IPA, etc. Section 4, last section. Modern concepts in contemporary criminology, terrorism, radicalism and war on terror, media the representative of crime and the criminal justice system. Modern law enforcement and crime prevention. intelligence-led policing, community policing, private-public partnership, gender and crime in urban and rural Pakistan, crime and urbanization, organized crime and white-collar crime, human rights abuses and protection, especially of children, women and minorities, the role of civil society and NGOs, money laundering, cyber crime, role of NAB, FIA and INF. Now I will ask you about recommend a books. So tell me and recommend a books. The recommended book.
There are many great and incredible books regarding criminology. The first one, New Perspective in Criminology. The second one, Criminal Interrogation and Compensation of Joseph. The third one is Theoretical Criminology. The fourth one is Modern Criminology, Crime, Criminal Behavior and its Control Agent. The fifth one is Security Studies and Introduction by Paul. So these are the most valuable and renowned books about criminology for CSS recommended by APAC.
हमारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, आपकी सीएसएस हो तो सब